A Moment That Matters with Dr. Jon Roebuck.
You know, I don't know about you, but I love the story of Christmas. I love the way that Luke tells of the angels in the night sky and how Matthew tells about the wise men who have traveled to tiny little Bethlehem to present their gifts to the newborn king. I like the story of the shepherds at the manger. I like the story of Mary and Joseph looking with joy and amazement at their newborn son. The story has power. It has depth. It has a meaning. And this day marks the first Sunday of Advent as we count down the days to Christmas morning and tell the story. Well, stories do have power. They resonate in our minds. They help us remember powerful lessons. A week from tomorrow, I'm leading a workshop on the art of storytelling. If you're interested in learning how to infuse better stories in your sermons, presentations, and lectures, then I invite you to join us for this workshop. It's next Monday night from 6 to 9. Information and registration are on our website.